Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Rafi West here. So, I want to talk about Meet Kevin's moves. Okay, um, what I think about his plan, what I like about it, what I don't like about it. All right, so he's made a big buzz lately about selling everything, selling everything, but then he has a plan. He discusses it more for people who are in his course, the Psychology of Money and Stocks course. And so he has a plan and to potentially 4 to 5x his account. Basically, the gains will be bigger than just keeping it in there. He's going to sell and buy back into the market over time in a certain way with certain strategies, things like that. And so I'll tell you, overall, I like his plan. I like it. It's a little unorthodox. It takes balls to do. I like the plan. First, let me explain. There's a couple of things I don't like about it, or the couple of things that make it tough. Well, first of all, he's not doing it in a Roth, so taxes are going to be a big thing. But he's planning to the gains to be more than he'll pay in taxes, so that's cool. But taxes, because it's going to be a ton of trading. He likes trading. It's going to be a ton of trading. And so that's what he's going to do, which is fine. So those are probably the only couple of points that I don't like about it. Um, it could turn out to be epic if he gets it right. And so what I like about it is, see, he doesn't have to do that. Like he says, let's say his account is 20 million and he's wrong and it goes down to 10 million. Is that really going to change his life in a negative or positive way? No, it's a bonus, right? But if he can take his account from 20 million to, let's say, 80 million, that'd be cool and epic. So, that's pretty good. Um, he doesn't have to do it, but he gives the little guy some hope. Some of us, we've lost a lot of time, let's say, and we want to get, let's face it, you want to get wealthy in the quickest way, the quickest route, right? The quickest fashion. So he gives hope to the little guy because if his plan of buying back into the market, certain things, maybe things in the Russell, okay, small cap stocks, which are now officially in a bear market. They've come down, you know, overall, I think over 20%, the index, that is. But some stocks are down 50, 60, 70% plus. So getting back into those, especially, and if there's a short squeeze or a run up, look up short squeeze if you don't know what it means, or a run up down the road, it will work. And staying in these other stocks that are going to give them what? Let's say if the stock market is dull for a while and it gives 9% per year, 8%, the average is, 9, 10%. If it gives these averages, that's pretty dull, you know? So if you like excitement, his plan is worth tracking. If you want to emulate it, that's on you. Um, if you want, that's one way of getting excitement, right? You want excitement, maybe just go into crypto and get into, I don't know, Ethereum. That should be enough excitement right there. Put it all in there, right? I mean, you get excitement. But overall, I like his plan. I like it. You know, um, it gives hope for the little guy who, has lost time, is graying in the beard, getting white. That means, father time. You're losing time. So it's exciting, but it's not for the faint of heart, his plan. I bet a lot are emulating and copying his plan, which I believe he's transparent and says, don't copy him. It's up to you. Things like that. He's not your financial advisor. Neither am I. I'm not your financial advisor. But, you can sell everything and basically start over. And the goal is just to amplify the gains. I get it. It'll be more gains than what he had. He's turned into a trader, a maniacal trader. I like it. I like it more than I don't like it. It's not for everybody, maybe even not for me, but I don't know. Should I sell everything? Gets me to thinking, huh? Anyway, I hope you guys like this. Give me a thumbs up for the video. Hit the subscribe button. Leave some comments down in the comments section about me, Kevin's situation, and if now is the right time to sell everything. Market's been going down. The stock market has been steadily declining. We'll see if it stops here for a while, but if it's another major decline, this could be it. But you never know with this kind of market, right? Chances are it won't be, but his plan fits right in. So let me know what you guys think. I'm here as a Joe Lunchbox. These are like my Joe Lunchbox videos, right? And so, yeah, I like it. Let me know what you guys think, and you get into this mindset. What could help you get into this mindset is if you join Hustlers University. I'm telling you. And you guys should join because the price is about to go up any moment now in the near future. So that's a reason to get in. The value, it's so affordable. So the link will be in the description. If you have any questions about it, you can ask me or comment on it, and I will get back to you. But this mindset, in order to do something, for example, like what he's doing, you got to be in something like Hustlers University. You got to be around like-minded people and have a group that you could bounce off ideas and things like that. So check it out in the description below, and I'll see you inside. When you get inside, hit me up in there. My name in there is RW. Okay, hence Rafe West. Hit me up in there. Contact me and we'll help each other out. All right. Until another video, guys. All right. This is Rafe West in his Joe Lunchbox mode. All right. Peace.